In this video, we're going to be creating some sublimation color changing mugs. These are the images that were sent to me to put on some mugs, and they are very, very low quality images. She took pictures of some pictures that were in a book. And so I did my best in Canva to clean these up. And so I made a couple designs here where I brightened them up. And now we're going to be adding them to some color changing mugs. And the prints are almost complete. I'm using my Epson EcoTank 2840 for this that I've converted over to sublimation printing. And I will have a link below for how I converted this Epson. I am using the HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Press for this. So I have my machine heating up to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are going to be pressing these mugs for 4 minutes, so 240 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. And here are my sublimation prints. They turned out pretty good for the low quality images that were sent to me. So this is about the best that I could clean these up. These are the color changing mugs that I'm going to be putting this design on. And I have my images trimmed down, and I'm going to be using heat resistant tape to put these in place. So I have my design taped in place on my first mug here. So I'm going to get this in the heat press. I am going to be putting some protective paper around it and then putting it in the heat press. This is just how I'm putting the protective paper on. I'm just using a plain sheet of copy paper, and then I'm going to slide it right into my press. So I have my second mug ready to go here, and I've got my heat resistant gloves because this press is almost complete, and you can see the cup turning white from the heat. So this will be done soon, and I'll get it revealed. Okay, it just opened up, so I'll get this out. As you can see now, the mug is not red because of the heat. And so after this cools down, I'll get that paper off so that we can reveal. These are extremely hot when they come out, so be very careful. I have the first side revealed, and it turned out very nicely. So as this cools down, it's going to turn red again. You can see the mug starting to cool and get its red color back. And it is back to its red color. And here is the second mug. And here are the mugs in their red form. They turned out so good. You can see the image on them very nicely. And I like to put a sticker on the bottom. I call these magic mugs. Add hot liquid to watch the change, and these should be hand washed as well. So let's pour some hot liquid in these and give it a try. So let's watch the magic. I added hot water to this one, and you can see it gradually changing colors here. And it is so incredible. These magic mugs are one of my favorite things to make for gifts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.